It's great to be here at the most important house in Australia. We're at Parliament House and we got a pop-up kitchen. I've got garlic. Oh, right, they're just starting to pop now. Can you see them? I don't know if you can see them there. Can you hear them? I'll just be quiet, see if you can. If I get the microphone a bit closer, hang on. Don't know if you can hear them. That's a wonderful crackling sound. Now, the way I imagine it, it's almost like a thick rain cloud coming over, you know, on a tin roof. This stuff is fantastic. Just a pinch like that of asafoetida. It's so good. It stops all the bloating, stops the gas. Believe me, it can save your marriage. So we just put, it needs to go in the hot oil like that, a little bit of that. And I'm just going to try it now. Okay, it's a little bit, it's a shame you can't try it yourselves. There it is. Looks delicious. Hang on a minute. I'm not kidding. That is really, really good. Right, folks, come here. You've got to try it. This is, you see how authentic it is. Now, I don't know if you recognise this. We got some like mustard seed. You know what that is?
Yeah, he knows.
Right. Now, I want you to tell me if it's authentic or not. So, yeah, you're going to try it now. So here we go. So, this is a real test. You can tell the truth, or you can be kind. I don't mind.
We absolutely love it.
Yeah.
It's far better than some of the food restaurants what is there in Australia. It's so good.
Yeah. Because it's meant to be delicious and healthy, isn't it? But have some more. Here we go. Right.